Looking for the perfect family home? Are you a first-time home buyer? This property is in a quiet cul-de-sac and is move-in ready. Immaculate bilevel located in Cumberland, right across the street from a park or green space. The main floor features an open concept kitchen, great room, dining room with white cabinets, hardwood floors, and large windows to provide plenty of natural light. The main floor has 3 bedrooms, and the primary bedroom overlooks the backyard and has a large walk-in closet. There is an updated main bathroom with custom tiled shower, which completes the main floor. This property is located close to the Henday and is a perfect property to use if you're downsizing as well. Downstairs you'll find a recreation room, a 4th bedroom and 2 dens, and also a 4-piece bathroom. There is tons of storage in this lower level and full-length windows. Laminate flooring. And there is also a detached heated double garage that has extra room for storage. Newer shingles on the garage and on the house, a new hot water tank, and newer appliances complete this package. You will love the front yard overlooking the trees across the street, so it is perfect if you'd love to be enjoying walks in Edmonton. This home is very private and is only a short drive to all shopping. Great access to downtown Anthony Henday. Don't miss out on this one. Welcome home. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX.